So guys, as you know, we have the giant weight up here. This is me, Shepherd. That's Eamon, that's Tronder. This is the O'Keefe family. And we are gonna drop it onto that lawnmower down there. We're gonna miss. So right there. Right here is the giant 25-pounder.
And we're gonna yeet it down.
Can you be the cameraman for now? Hold it at a good angle. Hold it over.
Nothing.
It looks like we kind of did something. There's a little damage, I think.
Only like the part where the grass shoots out is damaged. And that's the damage from yesterday.
Yeah, definitely not that much. We do have some damage from yesterday. Oh yeah, and one more thing. So this is our old lawnmower. We tried smashing that yesterday. Except that one's actually in pretty good shape, so we didn't continue.
No, because you're just like, I just want to have productivity.
So, anyways, outside here is actually our greenhouse. There's the deck we dropped it off of. And, yeah. Anyways, though. This is my cat, Cookie. I'm downstairs. Well, I'm actually gonna eat some breakfast. So, yeah, I'm just gonna eat some breakfast and I'll get back to you when I'm done with breakfast.
And me do that.